So I've already introduced you to breath as one of the four allies of erotic embodiment. And now I want to show you a couple of additional breath techniques that can be really helpful for giving yourself some place to both focus your mind and balance the energies with the breath by stimulating left and right hemisphere of the brain, the left being the more receptive yin side of ourselves, the right being the more yang and assertive part of ourselves. So when we balance ourselves energetically, we help to create more of that centered, open, available experience that is such a necessary foundation for being present in all aspects of our lives, and certainly for satisfying intimacy. These are great techniques to use as part of a meditation practice. They are great to use if you are needing to diffuse some stress. And they are wonderful ways to get yourself amped up and ready before you come into a sexual encounter, whether with yourself or with a beloved, if what you desire is to lean into that from that really centered and relaxed place. So the first technique I'm going to show you is box breathing. And what we do is we create a very simple box with our breath by inhaling for a few counts, retaining for that same number, exhaling for that same number, and then retaining again. So we breathe in, we hold the breath in, we breathe out and hold the breath out. A count of 4 is usually an accessible starting point for most of us. If you find that you need to go less, go less. Do 3, 3, 3, 3. If you feel like 4 is actually not enough for you and you want to do a little bit more, try 5, try 6. What's important is to not really be straining and efforting with the breath. You don't want to be struggling on the retentions, for instance, or running out of breath on the exhale before you get to the bottom of your count. So I'm going to introduce you to this practice with a count of 4 and then see what works for you. So start by getting yourself into that relaxed beginning point. Take a couple of deep breaths. Get your body adjusted any way you might need to. And positioning yourself with the spine upright and the shoulders relaxed is always an ideal way to approach any breathing practice. So you can be seated in a chair or on the ground, you could be standing, but what matters is that upright posture. Take another centering breath. Let it go. And then to begin the box breathing, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. And then relax into your natural breathing rhythm. That was a 3-round practice. You could absolutely do more rounds as you prefer. It's with everything. Take it, make it your own. And I want to show you yet another technique that you can take and make your own, incorporating it into your practices as you will. So where the box breathing helps us to really be in that balancing of holding, releasing, filling up, holding, releasing, filling up. This is more about that, what I mentioned earlier, of balancing the energetics by stimulating the opposite hemispheres of the brain. And this is called alternate nostril breathing. Simple is we take our hands, we make that peace sign, and it's the right hand that I'm using here. Tuck your peace sign fingers toward your palm so that you've got your ring and pinky finger extended and your thumb extended. And for the alternate nostril breathing, we're going to take that so that the tucked in fingers are toward your face. That way your thumb can lightly press your right nostril in, and the opposite 2 fingers can lightly press your left nostril in. And we are just going to move back and forth for an even count on each side, inhaling through one nostril, exhaling through the opposite nostril, inhaling and then exhaling. So I'm going to give you this as a count of 4 to begin as well. And once again, you can do longer counts. So you can go rounds of 5, you can go rounds of 6 if you feel like you want that. Or if 4 feels like too much and you're straining, take it down to 2, take it down to 3. See what is actually workable for you and begin there, knowing that as you incorporate this practice over time, your capacity is going to grow. So I'm just going to show you how it is. With the thumb against your right nostril, you're going to inhale left, 2, 3, 4, gently pinch shut, and exhale right, 2, 3, 4. Gently close and exhale left, 2, 3, 4. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Pinch shut and exhale right, 2, 3, 4. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. And exhale left, 2, 3, 4. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4. Gently close and exhale right, 2, 3, 4. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4. Pinch and exhale left, 2, 3, 4. And then letting the hand go. You always want to begin inhaling through the left nostril, and you want to complete exhaling out of the left nostril. That way you'll know you have completed a full cycle each time. So take those, practice with them, explore and experiment if it's something you want to weave into your mornings, if you want to use it throughout the day as you're feeling like you need to diffuse some stress energy, if it's a good way for you to get ready for a date or a meeting. There's so many ways to apply these simple techniques, and that's what it's here for. Enjoy.